Begin on DTF Build and choose the Shopify integration. The Shopify guide shows the app installation and account linking steps. Open the Shopify App Store listing. Click Install and choose your Shopify store. Review the requested permissions, then install DTFBuild in Shopify. The app opens and requests optional access to order data. Approve the requested order-access update. Open settings to connect your DTFBuild vendor account. Choose the default unit, output format, language, and print quality. Set design spacing and enable crazy packing for tighter automatic nesting. Return to DTF Build and open the vendor dashboard. Copy the shop ID assigned to this store. Paste the shop ID into Shopify and save the settings. Wait for DTF Build to validate and connect the store. The connected badge confirms the link. Next, open Products. In Shopify Products, open the gang sheet item. Review its variants so each sheet size has its own option. Open a variant and verify its sheet-size label and price. Confirm the remaining variants and prices before returning to DTF Build. In DTF Build Products, click Select Products to link the Shopify item. Check the gang sheet product, then save your selection. The product is now linked to the builder. Open Edit Variants and customize the builder button text and colors. Match each Shopify variant to its exact sheet width and height. Correct mismatched dimensions until every enabled variation shows a match. Save the product level builder settings. Open Shopify's theme editor and switch to the product template. Inside product information, choose Add Block. Under Apps, add the DTF Builder block. This block controls where the gang sheet button appears on product pages. Customize its label, colors, and fallback dimensions in the block settings. An unlinked preview product shows a warning instead of the builder button. Save the theme, open the storefront, and select the linked gang sheet product. Verify the builder button appears beneath the normal Shopify purchase buttons. Open the live product page and select the required sheet size variation. The price updates with the selected size. Click Build Your Gang Sheet. The builder opens at the upload screen. Click Browse. Select the PNG artwork files, then click Open. Review every design's size, quantity, and quality before generating. Open a design to use Remove Background, Halftone, Upscale, Recolor, or Trim. Close the editor and continue reviewing the uploaded designs. Adjust quantities if needed, then click Generate Sheets. Automatic packing builds the sheets. Review the previews, sheet count, price per sheet, and estimated total. Click Confirm Designs and Add to Cart, then wait while production files upload. The generated sheets become one Shopify cart item with the project details. Review the cart total, then click Checkout. Enter contact details, then choose Shipping and Payment. Complete the order and confirm that Shopify created it successfully. Open Vendor Dashboard Orders. The Shopify project syncs automatically. Review its status, sheet count, and total print length. Deleting a synced project requires confirmation before removal. Open the project to view sheet downloads. Back in the Shopify app, Orders lists the matching DTF project. Expand the project to review its size, quantity, status, and production sheets. Download the complete zip or an individual sheet file. Use Browser Downloads to locate the saved zip. Open the downloaded folder and choose a generated sheet. Preview the artwork placement across the first print-ready sheet. Inspect the dimensions and resolution before sending it to production. Return to the vendor dashboard after confirming the downloaded output. Open Report an Issue. Choose a category, add details, verify the form, and submit.